I just received this mattress from this company right here. It's a hybrid mattress. Sleep better, live better. Can't wait to get this unboxed and set up, so stay tuned for my review. All right, we're gonna get this open now, just like this. We're gonna just pull that. Super easy. Put it on a roll. All right, almost have all the individual plastic off. Now we're gonna cut this open so we can get it going. Our bed frame is coming tomorrow. And then I'll get it set up, do some sleep testing on it, and report back. Our dog is very excited for this new mattress as well. So literally super easy. Go on the edges right over here. So here it's expanding right now. You just kind of have to follow along. Let's cut down the middle now. See, it expanded pretty quickly, which is really nice. I already like how this feels a lot. Got to be careful when you do this in your own house. All right, that's kind of the unboxing. I'm gonna take the rest of this plastic off. We're gonna give it about 72 hours to kind of totally fluff up. And when the bed frame comes tomorrow, we're gonna put it all together for you. All right, we got it all set up. We got it on a platform and we are good to go. This thing is absolutely amazing. I took the sheets off so you guys could see this up close. Really, really nice. Got that kind of gel-ish mattress. I think this is perfect. We've been sleeping on it for a couple nights so far. Absolutely love this. It has that perfect balance between firm and comfortable for me personally. It's definitely not too soft, which I prefer a little bit more firmer, but it's not too firm where it's uncomfortable as well. This is the queen size and it is absolutely awesome. So if you're looking for a great mattress, definitely check this one out. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.